My dad, he basically worked in the harbour, and this was one of the warehouses that he worked. For me, it's like going back into the past, because this is the actual warehouse where I used to spend my childhood. My job entails that I look after clients' cargo, so I am ultimately responsible for everything that happens in this warehouse, and I'm very passionate about safety. In this type of environment, the man-machine interface is the most dangerous. You have to be conscious all the time. We have an exceptional safety record here. Our last serious accident was probably about 6 years ago. I certainly don't want to get injured. I certainly don't want my staff to get injured. On a daily basis, we walk around, we look for potential hazards, near misses. We talk to the staff on an ongoing basis. We have safety meetings, making them aware, and reinforce it every day. The protection of our employees is paramount. There's no price you can put to a lost foot. It destroys families, it destroys people's lives, and it gives you a bad reputation in a highly competitive industry. You cannot become known as a person who damages or injures people. You apply the same principles at home that you apply at work. I have a passion for things, and we were invited to an archery shoot with one of our suppliers, and that was our first introduction to it. And I enjoyed it, so I went out and got a bow, and I built my own archery range at home. You know, you want to improve all the time, so you practice. That's something I do on my own. Whereas with cooking, I get to do it with family and friends. Because you don't cook on your own when you cook at home. You cook as a family, everybody gets involved. And we found that it brought us closer together, that you could communicate and you could create stuff. You start with something, you create it, and somebody enjoys it. And we do that with food. Friends, family, honesty, integrity, those are the things that are important to me. I think all other things can be managed if you have that in your life.